हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल नेट एनसीईआरटी बायोलॉजी। आज हम देख रहे हैं एनडीए नीट का टेस्ट नंबर 20। तो शुरू करते हैं। बायो से कॉपी और पेन अपना निकाल कर रखें। साथ में इसमें जो बायो का फिजिक्स और केमिस्ट्री में जो ट्रिक रहेगा वही बताने वाले हैं, जिससे आप आसानी से याद रखेंगे। तो शुरू करते हैं बायो से। अपना स्कोर ज़रूर आप कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखेंगे, जिससे ज़्यादा आपको हेल्प होगा। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट बायो का, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट एन एसेंशियल element for plants while the remaining three are, and the options are A iron, B manganese, C cadmium, D phosphorus, and the correct answer is C cadmium जो है वो essential नहीं है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, in the forest ecosystem yeast, mold and mushroom are grouped as A producer, B consumer, C secondary consumer, D decomposer, and the correct answer is D। ये सारे decomposer होते हैं, सारे फंगस हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, प्लासेंटेशन इन ब्रेसिकेसी मस्टर्ड फैमिली इज ए पेराइटल, बी मार्जिनल, सी एक्जाइल, डी बेसल, एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ए पेराइटल प्लासेंटेशन। और इसका मैंने सारा ट्रिक बना रखा है अपने चैनल पे, वहाँ जाकर विजिट करके देख सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, in Down syndrome, karyotyping has shown that the disorder associated with trisomy of chromosome number 21 is usually due to A. Non-disjunction during egg cell formation, B. Non-disjunction during sperm cell formation, D. Non-disjunction during formation of egg cells or sperm cells, D. Addition of extra chromosome during mitosis or mitosis of the zygote. And the correct answer of 4 is C, non-disjunction during the formation of egg cells or sperm cells. Next, question number 5th. In a flowering plant, Archaeosporium give rise to. Options are A, only the wall of the sporangium, B, both wall and the sporogenous cells, C, wall and the tapetum, D, only tapetum and sporogenous cells. And the correct answer is B, both wall and the sporogenous cells. Next, question number 6, microbes like bacteria and many fungi can be grown on nutritive media to form colonies. A, that can be seen with the naked eyes, B, that cannot be seen with naked eyes, C, they are observed only by electron microscope, D, they are very difficult to be viewed. And the correct answer is A, that can be seen with the naked eyes. Next, question number 7, the petioles that are green and synthesize food is observed in A, asparagus, B, euphorbia, C, Australian acacia, D, opuntia. And the correct answer is C, Australian acacia. Next, question number 8, plasmid is used as carrier because A, it has antibiotic resistance genes, B, its both ends are replicating points, C, it can go between eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells, D, none of these. And the correct answer is A, it has antibiotic resistance genes. Next, question number 9, the actual 3D structure of tRNA molecule appears as A, L-shaped, B, E-shaped, C, Y-shaped, D, S-shaped. And the correct answer is A, L-shaped. Next, question number 10, the outer and inner pleural membrane is in close contact with A, pericardium of heart, B, thoracic lining and lung surface, C, liver hepatocytes, D, all of these. And the correct answer is B, thoracic lining and lung surface. Next, question number 11, a coprophilous fungus belongs to A, Ascomycetes, B, Phycomycetes, C, both A and B, D, none of these. And the correct answer is C, बोथ ए एंड बी। लेकिन एनसीईआरटी में हमारा एस्कोमाइसिटी केवल दिया हुआ है, लेकिन एनटीए के अनुसार बोथ ए एंड बी है। नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 12, which of the following is true during aging? A, the decreased bone mass and increased chances of fractures, B, decrease in blood urea and GFR, C, decrease in cholesterol content of cornea and lens, D, decrease in calcium content of arteries and cartilage. And the correct answer is A, the decreased bone mass and increased chances of fractures. Next, question number 13, cell division or mitosis is a normal process in a living cell, but sudden and abnormal mitosis is an organ will frequently result in A. Zygote. B. Gastrula. C. New organ. D. Cancer. And the correct answer is D. Cancer. Next, question number 14. The controlled aerobic combustion of wastage inside chambers at a temperature of 900 to 13 degrees Celsius is known as A. Incineration, B. Recycling, C. Pyrolysis, D. Sanitary dumping. And the correct answer is A. Incineration. इन्वायरमेंटल इश्यू का चैप्टर का क्वेश्चन है. नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. मैच द फॉलोइंग एंड सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट कॉम्बिनेशन. रेड एल्गी है, लिबरवर्ट, वॉकिंग फर्न, जिम्नोस्पर्म. इधर है मार्केंसिया, पाइनस, पोलिसिफोनिया और एडियंटम. तो हमारा रेड एल्गी जो हो गया पोलिसिफोनिया है, लिबरवर्ट जो है मार्केंसिया है, जिम्नोस्पर्म पाइनस है एंड वॉकिंग फर्न जो है वो एडियंटम है. एंड द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज डी. नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. which part of human brain is concerned with the regulation of body temperature? A. cerebellum, B. cerebrum, C. hypothalamus, D. medulla oblongata. And the correct answer is C. hypothalamus. Next, question number 17. Relationships are visualized as evolutionary trees. This statement is related to. And the correct answer is, options are identification, classification, systematics, all of the three. And the correct answer is C. systematics. Next, question number 18. Cyclone belongs to a group of animals which are best described as A. unicellular or acellular organisms, B. multicellular organisms without any tissue organization, C. multicellular organism with a gastrovascular system, D. multicellular organism having tissue organization but no body cavity. And the correct answer is B. multicellular organism without any tissue organization. Next, question number 19. The female children of hemophilic father and carrier mother is A. all hemophilic, B. half hemophilic half carrier, C. all normal, D. all carrier. And the correct answer is B. half hemophilic half carrier. Next, question number 20. There are how many pairs of ribs? Rib is a dash bone connected dorsally to the dash and ventrally to the dash. तो ये क्वेश्चन रिपीट है. एक बार नीट में क्वेश्चन इस टाइप का आया था, उसमें केवल रिब्स के बारे में पूछा था और फ्लोटिंग रिब्स के बारे में. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 का जो करेक्ट आंसर होगा वो डी होगा. देयर आर 12 पेयर्स ऑफ रिब्स. रिब्स इज अ फ्लैट बोन connected dorsally to the vertebral column and ventrally to the sternum. Next, question number 21. Antibiotics are usually not given for an infection as they may worsen the disease process. A. E. coli, B. streptococcus, C. pseudomonas aeruginosa, D. salmonella typhi. And the correct answer is A. E. coli. Next, polyethylene glycol method is used for A. gene transfer without a vector, B. biodiesel production, C. seedless fruit production, D. energy production from sewage. And the correct answer is A. gene transfer without a vector. Next, question number 23. Which theory attempts to explain to us the origin of the universe? A. universal theory, B. cosmologic theory, C. big bang theory, D. none of these. And the correct answer is C. big bang theory. Next, question number 24. The spindle fiber are made up of which protein? A. myoglobin, B. tubulin, C. albumin, D. myosin. And the correct answer is B. tubulin. Next, question number 25. Which of the following phylum possesses multicellular organ grade level of organization? 1. platyhelminthes, 2. porifera, 3. nematode, 4. protozoa. And the correct answer is D. 1 and 3 is correct. यानी कि platyhelminthes और nematode जो है मल्टीसेलुलर ऑर्गन लेवल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, पोरिफेरा और प्रोटोजोआ नहीं. नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 26. Choose the correct pair. A. sericulture, rearing silkworms for obtaining silk, B. dairy farm management, of animals for milk and its products for human consumption. C. Poultry farm management, domestication of fall birds. D. Pisciculture, catching, processing और सेलिंग ऑफ फिश, सेलफिश और अदर एक्वेटिक एनिमल्स। तो यहाँ हमारा करेक्ट पेयर जो है वो ए है, बाकी सारे कुछ ना कुछ मिस्टेक हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 27, द डिफरेंस बिटवीन सिस्टोलिक एंड डायस्टोलिक प्रेशर इन ह्यूमन इज ए 120 mmHg, बी 80 mmHg, सी 40 mmHg, डी 200 mmHg। तो सिस्टोलिक हो जाएगा 120 और डायस्टोलिक हो गया 80, तो उसको डिफरेंस करेंगे तो 40 आएगा, इसलिए हमारा आंसर सी होगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 28, व्हिच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग हैज मैक्सिमम जेनेटिक डाइवर्सिटी इन इंडिया? ए मैंगो, बी राइस, सी टी, डी टिक। एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज राइस, बी, उसके बाद मैंगो। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 29, the main cause of the population explosion in the world is A. Excellent job facilities, B. Increase in agricultural production, C. Excellent health care, D. Fewer battles and war. And the correct answer is C. Excellent health care. Next question number 30, statement 1, pollen mother cells PMCs are the first male gametophytic cells. Statement 2, each BMC give rise to 2 pollen. तो ये दोनों स्टेटमेंट गलत हैं, इसलिए करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा हमारा बी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 31, द एंजाइम रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर ऑक्सीडेटिव डीकार्बोक्सिलेशन ऑफ पायरुवेट टू एसिटाइल को ए इज ए हेक्सोकाइनेज, बी सक्सिनिक डिहाइड्रोजिनेज, सी पायरुवेट डिहाइड्रोजिनेज, डी आरयूबीपी कार्बोक्सिलेज ऑक्सीजनेज। एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज सी, पायरुवेट डिहाइड्रोजिनेज। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 32, chemiosmotic theory of ATP synthesis in the chloroplasts and mitochondria is based on A. proton gradient, B. accumulation of K plus ions, C. accumulation of N2 plus ions, D. membrane potential. And the correct answer is A. proton gradient. Next question number 33, vascular bundles where the phloem is found to be present on both sides of xylem is said to be A. radial, B. conjoined, C. collateral, D. bicollateral. And the correct answer is D. bicollateral. Next question number 34, which statement is not true for Drosophila? A. they complete their life cycle in about 2 weeks. B. single mating produces large number of progeny flies. C. it has few hereditary variations that can be seen with a high power microscope. D. it has clear differentiation of sex. And the correct answer is C. ये लो पावर माइक्रोस्कोप से भी देख सकते हैं, इसलिए ये स्टेटमेंट इनकरेक्ट है, नॉट ट्रू है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 35, द चेंजेस दैट अकर्स इन फीमेल एट द ऑनसेट ऑफ पुबर्टी आर ए इनलार्जमेंट ऑफ ब्रेस्ट, बी बिगिनिंग ऑफ मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल, सी स्टॉपेज ऑफ द लॉन्ग बोन्स एंड हाइट, डी ऑल ऑफ द अबव। एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज डी, ऑल द अबव। नेक्स्ट question number 36, which one of the following conditions correctly describes the manner of determining the sex in the given example? A. homozygous sex chromosome ZZ determine female sex in birds, B. exotype of sex chromosomes determine male sex in grasshopper, C. exo condition in human as found in Turner syndrome determines the female sex, D. homozygous sex chromosomes XX produce male in Drosophila. And the correct answer is B. XO type of sex chromosomes determine male sex in grasshopper. Next question number 37, the kind of evolution in which two species of different genealogy come to resemble one another closely is termed as A. progressive evolution, B. convergent evolution, C. parallel evolution, D. regressive evolution. And the correct answer is B. convergent evolution. Next question 38, mark the correct statement. A. mRNA is polycystonic in eukaryotes and monocystonic in prokaryotes. B. mRNA is polycystonic in prokaryotes and monocystonic in eukaryotes. C. mRNA is polycystonic in both eukaryotes and prokaryotes. D. mRNA monocystonic in both eukaryotes and prokaryotes. And the correct answer is B. इसका एक ट्रिक भी है कि प्रो है तो पी से प्रोकार्योट्स, पी से पॉलीसिस्टोनिक, और मोनोसिस्टोनिक हो गया यूकार्योट्स का, ऐसे याद रख सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 39, LH surge occurs during which phase of the menstrual cycle? A. Menstrual phase. B. At the beginning of proliferative phase. C. Just before the end of the proliferative phase. D. In the middle of the cycle. And the correct answer is D. In the middle of the cycle. Next question number 40. In Selaginella, male gametes are A. Aflagellated, B. Monoflagellated, C. Biflagellated, D. Multiflagellated. And the correct answer is C. Biflagellated. Next, question number 41. Two chief functions of leaves are A. Photosynthesis and respiration, B. Photosynthesis and transpiration, C. Transpiration and respiration, D. Respiration and digestion. And the correct answer is B. Photosynthesis and transpiration. Next, question number 42. The main difference in gram positive and gram negative bacteria resides in their A. Cell wall, B. Cell membrane, C. Cytoplasm, D. Flagella. And the correct answer is A. Cell wall. Next, question number 43. Where would you look for active cell division in plants? A. In the pith cells, B. in the cells of cortex, C. in the internodal region, D. at the tip of root and shoot. And the correct answer is D. At the tip of root and shoot. Next, question number 44. Which plant hormone is related to hastening the maturity period and germination of seeds? A. Auxin, B. Gibberellin, C. ABA, D. Ethylene. And the correct answer is B. Gibberellin. Next, question number 45. The sensory organ detect all types of changes in the environment and send appropriate signals to A. Peripheral nervous system, B. Autonomous nervous system, C. Central nervous system, D. None of these. And the correct answer is C. Central nervous system. Next, question number 46. DNA-dependent RNA polymerase catalyzes transcription on one strand of the DNA, which is called the A. template strand, B. coding strand, C. alpha strand, D. anti strand. And the correct answer is A. template strand. Next, question number 47. The process of maturation of reproductive cells of testes in male so as to form the male gamete or sperm is known as A. spermatogenesis, B. gametogenesis, C. oogenesis, D. none of these. And the correct answer is A. spermatogenesis. Next, question number 48. Which of the following is correct regarding its causative agent HIV? A. HIV is an enveloped virus containing one molecule of single-stranded RNA and one molecule of reverse transcriptase. B. HIV is an enveloped virus that contains two identical molecules of single-stranded RNA and two molecules of reverse transcriptase. C. HIV is an unenveloped retrovirus. D. HIV does not escape but attacks the acquired immune response. And the correct answer is B. Next, question number 49. In the LS of an embryo of grass, the levels A and B are. So ये सी ऑप्शन तो ऐसे ही हट गया क्योंकि इसमें एपीब्लास्ट पहले से दिया हुआ है और यहाँ ऑप्शन में एपीब्लास्ट डाले हुए, इसलिए करेक्ट आंसर हमारा हो जाएगा ए जो है सूट एपेक्स है, बी रेडिकल है। नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 50. ड्यूरिंग इकोलॉजिकल सक्सेशन A. The establishment of new biotic community is very fast in its primary phase. B. The number of types of animals remain constant. C. The changes leads to community that is near equilibrium with the environment and is called pioneer community. D. The gradual and predictable change in species composition occurs in given area. And the correct answer is D. The gradual and predictable change in species composition occurs in given area. ये क्वेश्चन रिपीट हो चुका है, पिछले भी मॉक टेस्ट में आए थे। नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 51. The products resulting from atmospheric reactions of hydrocarbons and nitrogen oxides in the presence of the sunlight are called A. Primary pollutants, B. Secondary pollutants, C. Tertiary pollutants, D. Non-pollutants. And the correct answer is B. Secondary pollutants. Next, question 52. Read the following statement in the having two blanks A and B. Function of A is to move particles in a specific direction over the epithelium. They are present in the inner surface of hollow organs like B. Select the one option that is correct for the both blanks. And here correct option is A. Cilia or fallopian tube होगा. Function of cilia is to move particles in a specific direction over the epithelium. They are present in the inner surface of hollow organs like fallopian tube और ट्रेकिया भी हो सकता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर क्वेश्चन नंबर 53. It is said that birds have evolved from A. Non-chordates, B. reptiles, C. amphibians, D. fishes. And the correct answer is B. reptiles. Next question number 54. Which of the following organisms have a size of only 0.3 micrometer in length? A. Mycoplasma, B. Euglenoids, C. Slime molds, D. All of these. And the correct answer is A. Mycoplasma. Next question number 55. The partial pressure of oxygen in the alveoli of the lungs is A equal to that in the blood, B more than that in the blood, C less than that in the blood, D less than that of carbon dioxide. And the correct answer is B, more than that in the blood. Next question number 56. Apomictic embryos in citrus arise from A. synergids, B. antibodal cells, C. diploid egg, D. maternal sporophytic tissue in ovule. And the correct answer is D. maternal sporophytic tissue in ovule. Next question number 57. Which of the following statement is false for hormones of adrenal medulla? A. They increase alertness. B. Increase strength of heart contraction and rate of respiration. C. They inhibit the breakdown of lipids and proteins. D. They stimulate the breakdown of glycogen and increase glucose level in blood. And the correct answer is C. They inhibit the breakdown of lipid and proteins. Next, question number 58. Select correct statement from the following. A. In the majority of the dicotyledonous plants, the direct elongation of the radicle leads to the formation of the primary root. B. In monocot plants, the primary root is short-lived and is replaced by a large number of roots. These roots originate from lowermost node of the stem and constitute the fibrous root system. C. Adventitious roots are found in monstera and banyan tree. D. The fibrous root system is found in wheat and mustard plants. And the correct answer is B. A, B, C सही है. डी में मस्टर्ड प्लांट में टैप रूट होता है, फाइब्रस रूट नहीं, इसलिए गलत है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 59. द हाइफा ऑफ एस्परगिलस आर A. septate and multinucleate, B. septate and branched, C. S. septate and branched, D. septate and uninucleate. And the correct answer is B. सेप्टेट एंड ब्रांच्ड. कौन सेपरेट होता है, कौन एब्सेट, बहुत क्वेश्चन पूछा है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, आप जरूर याद रखें. सेप्टेट या सेप्टेट और क्या बोलते हैं, स्पोर्स के बारे में पूछता है, कौन एसेक्सुअल स्पोर है, कौन सेक्सुअल स्पोर है, और इसका एग्जाम्पल पूछता है किंगडम फंजाई से. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 60. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ एक्स सिटू कंजर्वेशन? ए. वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी, बी. सीड बैंक, सी. sacred groves, D. national park. And the correct answer of 60 is B. सीड बैंक. सारे इन सिटू हैं, बाकी सीड बैंक जो है वो एक्स सिटू हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 61. मैच द कॉलम्स एंड आइडेंटिफाई द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. ए. थैलाक्वाइड्स, बी. क्रिस्टा, सी. सिस्टर्नी, डी. क्रोमैटिन. फर्स्ट डिस्क शेप्ड sacs in Golgi apparatus. Second, condensed structure of DNA. Third, flat membranous sacs in Stroma, 4 infoldings in mitochondria. And the correct answer is A. A third, B 4, C 1, D 2. यहाँ थैलाक्वाइड का आंसर हो जाएगा थर्ड, यानी फ्लैट मेम्ब्रेन सेक्स इन स्टोमा। बी जो है क्रिस्टा का हो जाएगा 4 इन फोल्डिंग्स इन माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया। सी का सिस्टर्नी का 1 हो जाएगा डिस्क शेप्ड सेक्स इन गोल्जी एपरेटस। और डी क्रोमैटिन का हो जाएगा 2 कंडेंस्ड स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ डीएनए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 62, द मेम्ब्रेन सार्कोलेमा इज फाउंड ओवर A heart, B muscle fiber, C nerve fiber, D both A and B. And the correct answer is B muscle fiber. Next question number 63, in Drosophila the sex is determined by A whether the egg is fertilized or develops parthenogenetically, B the ratio of the number of X chromosomes to the sets of autosomes, C X and Y chromosomes, D the ratio of pairs of X chromosomes to the pairs of autosomes. And the correct answer is B the ratio of number of X chromosomes to the set of autosomes. Next question number 64, the given flow formula can be seen and this formula is example of Solanaceae family floral formula. And the correct answer is C टोबैको का एग्जाम्पल है, सोलानेसी का ही एग्जाम्पल है टोबैको। सी से ए पर जो ये दिया हुआ है यानी कि अटैचमेंट, वही ये क्या बोलते हैं सोलानेसी का फार्मूला होता है, ये ऐसे याद रख सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 65, fetal sex can be determined by examining cells from the amniotic fluid by looking for A kazomata, B kinetochore, C autosomes, D bar bodies. And the correct answer is bar bodies. अगर बार बॉडीज है तो फीमेल है और बार बॉडीज नहीं है तो मेल है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 66, which of the following not a steroid hormone? A aldosterone, B androgen, C estrogen, D LH. And the correct answer of 66 is D LH. Next question number 67, which of the following is correct about Na plus and K plus pump? And the correct answer is A 3 Na plus and 2 K plus are transported. इसका एक ट्रिक भी है कि कन्फ्यूजन रहता है कि 2 सोडियम है या 3 सोडियम है, 2 पोटेशियम है या 3 पोटेशियम होता है। तो इसमें इसका ट्रिक है 3, यानी कि 3 में जो लास्ट में एन आ रहा है, अगर इंग्लिश में लिखे तो 3 से एन लास्ट में Na प्लस कर सकते हैं, 3 यानी 3 Na प्लस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 68, द प्रोटॉन्स that are produced by the splitting of water accumulates A on the outer membrane of thylakoids, B on the outer membrane of stroma lamella, C within the lumen of thylakoids, D in the stroma. And the correct answer is C within the lumen of thylakoids. Next question number 69, kelps and rockweed are examples of A green algae, B brown algae, C red algae, D golden brown algae. And the correct answer is B brown algae. Next question number 70, trichoderma is used as a biocontrol agent against various plant pathogens. To which of the following class of fungi does it belong? A Ascomycetes, B Zygomycetes, C Deuteromycetes, D Basidiomycetes. And the correct answer is C Deuteromycetes. Next question number 71, slow blindness arises due to A UVA, B UVB, C UVC, and D more than one option is correct. And the correct answer is B UVB. और इसका ट्रिक भी है स्लो ब्लाइंडनेस, बहुत कन्फ्यूजन था कि ए था बी था या सी था, तो स्लो ब्लाइंडनेस, बी फॉर ब्लाइंडनेस और बी फॉर यूवी बी, ऐसे याद रख सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 72, टॉडी इज फाउंड बाय द फर्मेंटेशन ऑफ ए सैप फ्रॉम पाम्स, बी सोयाबीन, सी फिशेज, डी बम्बू शूट्स। एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ए सैप फ्रॉम द पाम्स। Next question number 73, the endoplasmic reticulum is closely associated with the Golgi apparatus. Synthesized proteins from the RER are released from which part of the Golgi apparatus? A cis phase of Golgi apparatus, B cisternae, C trans phase of Golgi apparatus, D both A and C. And the correct answer is C trans phase of Golgi apparatus. Next, question number 74. The concept of transforming principle was first established by dash using the bacterium dash, and the correct answer is C. Frederick Griffith on bacterium Streptococcus pneumoniae. Next, question number 75. Which of the following statement is wrong? A. Water potential is the chemical potential of the water. B. Solute potential is always negative. C. Pressure potential is zero in a flaccid cell. D. Water potential equals solute potential in a fully turgid cell. And the correct answer is D. D statement is wrong. Next, question number 76. The following is a scheme showing the fate of carbohydrates during digestion in the human alimentary canal. Identify the enzymes acting at stages indicates as A, B, C and D. Choose the correct option from the given. And the correct answer is D. A. amylase, B. lactase, C. maltase और D. invertase होगा. Next, question number 76. Mendel did not get linkage phenomena due to A. dominance, B. independent assortment, C. segregation, D. genes on same chromosome. And the correct answer is B. independent assortment. Next, question number 78. During the procedure, a blood sample is drawn from a patient and kept in a test tube for analysis of blood corpuscles and plasma. Which of the following tubes cannot be used for the purpose? A. Test tube containing calcium bicarbonate. B. Test tube containing EDTA. C. Test tube containing heparin. D. Test tube containing sodium oxalate. And the correct answer is A. Test tube containing बाइकार्बोनेट. EDTA heparin और जो ऑक्जेलेट है वो सब ब्लड को कोगुलेट होने से बचाता है, लेकिन कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट कोगुलेट करा देगा, इसलिए इसमें नहीं रख सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 79. Consider the following statement with respect to hydrophilia and select the right choice. First, it is quite rare in flowering plants. Second, pollen grains are protected by mucilaginous covering. Third, in some plants, pollens are released inside the water. Fourth, flowers are very colorful but without nectar. And the correct answer is A. फर्स्ट, सेकेंड और थर्ड तीनों करेक्ट है, लेकिन फोर्थ इनकरेक्ट है. जो हाइड्रोफिली प्लांट होते हैं वो कलरफुल नहीं होते हैं, विदाउट नेक्टर होते हैं. नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 80. टैक्सोनॉमी विदाउट फाइलोजेनी इज सिमिलर टू बोन्स विदाउट फ्लेश इज द स्टेटमेंट ऑफ. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज सी. तख्ताजान. नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 81. Notochord is A. endodermally derived structure formed on the dorsoventral side. B. ectodermally derived structure formed on the dorsal side. C. mesodermally derived structure formed on the dorsal side. D. mesodermally derived structure formed on the ventral side. And the correct answer is C. mesodermally derived structure formed on the dorsal side. Next, question number 82. Bulliform cells are found in. And the correct answer is C. grasses, adaxial, epidermal cells of isobilateral leaves. Next, question number 83. The hepatitis B vaccine has been produced on a large scale through. And the correct answer is C. recombinant DNA technology using yeast. Next, question number 84. Test tube baby means a baby born when. And the correct answer is D. The ovum is fertilized externally and thereafter implanted in the uterus. Next, question number 85. In the male reproductive system of cockroaches, which of the following structures represent the external genitalia? A. gonophore. B. vas deferens. C. phallomere. D. ejaculatory duct. And the correct answer is C. phallomere. Next, question number 86. इतना सारा देख के डरना नहीं है, बस लास्ट का जो लाइन है, द फैटी एसिड्स ड्यूरिंग सेलुलर रेस्पिरेशन आर फर्स्ट ब्रोकन डाउन इनटू. ऑप्शंस आर ए पायरुवेट, बी सक्सिनेट, सी ऑक्जेलोएसिटिक एसिड, डी एसिटाइल को ए. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज डी एसिटाइल को ए. नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 87. प्रोडक्शन ऑफ humulin यूजिंग ट्रांसजेनिक ई कोलाई इज पॉसिबल बिकॉज ए बैक्टीरियल सेल can carry out the RNA splicing reactions. B. The human chromosome can replicate in bacterial cell. C. The mechanism of gene regulation is identical in humans and bacteria. D. The genetic code is universal, and the correct answer is D. The genetic code is universal. Next question number 88. Which of the following groups of viruses are known to infect the nose and respiratory passage in humans? A. Retrovirus, B. Ecoviruses, C. Rhinoviruses, D. Oncogenic viruses. And the correct answer is C. Rhinoviruses. Next question number 89. Which of the following set of examples is correct with respect to escaping time as a response to abiotic factors? And the correct answer is D. Snails and fishes estivation. Next question number 90. From a single ear of corn, a farmer planted 200 kernels which produce 155 tall and 45 dwarf plants. The genotype of these offspring are most likely, and the correct answer is A. Capital T, capital T, capital T small t and small t small t. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर अब आते हैं केमिस्ट्री में। एक स्ट्रक्चर दिया और बताना है क्या है। X is an ester, B X is a ketone, C X is a vicinal diol, D X is a carboxylic acid. And the correct answer is A. A is X is an ester. Second, the pH of 0.5 m aqueous solution of HF K equal to 2 to 10 to the power minus 4 is. And the correct answer is A. 2. Next question number 3. A negatively charged sol can be formed by peptidizing a solution of, and the correct answer is B. AgI and Ki. Next question number 4. Which of the following compound is most rapidly hydrolyzed by SN1 mechanism? And the correct answer is D. Next question number 5. The destruction of the biological nature and activity of proteins by heat or chemical agent is called A. Dehydration, B. Denaturation, C. Denitrogenation, D. Deamination. And the correct answer is B. Denaturation. Next question number 6. Which of the following cations cannot be detected by the flame test? K plus, Ba2 plus, Sr2 plus, D. Mg2 plus. And the correct answer is D. Mg2 plus. Next question number 7. In the oxymercuration demercuration of the following compound, the major product is expected to be. And the correct answer is B. Next question number 8. There is no DD transition in Cu plus and Cu2O is colored due to A. Presence of unpaired aldohol, B. The presence of colored O2 minus ion, C. Charge transfer from oxygen to metal, D. Charge transfer from metal to oxygen. And the correct answer is C. Charge transfer from oxygen to metal. Next question number 9. The degree of hydrolysis of which of the following salt is independent of the concentration of salt solution? And the correct answer is B. CH3COONH4. Question number 10. CH3CH double bond CHCHO is oxidized to CH3CH double bond CHCOOH by using A. Alkaline KMnO4, B. Selenium dioxide, C. Osmium tetroxide, D. Ammonical AgNO3. And the correct answer is D. Ammonical AgNO3. Next question number 11. Likely bond angles of SF4 molecules are, and the correct answer is D. 89 degree and 117 degree. Next question number 12. Na2CO3 can be manufactured by Solvay process, but K2CO3 cannot be prepared because C. Answer is correct. KHCO3 is more soluble than NaHCO3. Next question number 13. Metal M plus air in presence of heat gives A, in presence of water gives B, and B in presence of HCl gives white fumes. Metal M can be, and the correct answer is A. Li, Mg और L तीनों में से कोई हो सकता है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. Equal mass of CH4 and H2 are mixed in an empty container at 25 degrees Celsius. The fraction of total pressure exerted by H2 is, and the correct answer is B. 8/9. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. रिएक्शन दिया हुआ है ZnOHg के ZnHg और HCl के प्रेजेंस में A बन रहा है, आइडेंटिफाई A करना है, एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज B। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 16, द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट इज, एंड हियर करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट इज B, glucose and galactose are C4 epimers. Next question number 17, the bond dissociation energies for Cl2, I2 and ICl are 242.3, 151 and 211.3 kJ per mole respectively. The enthalpy of sublimation of iodine is 62.8 kJ per mole. What is the standard enthalpy of formation of ICI gas? ICl होगा यहाँ पे, and the correct answer is C, minus 16.8 kilojule per mole. Next question number 18, the bond length in O2 plus O2 minus and O2 minus follows the order, and the correct answer is A मोलिकुलर ऑर्बिटल थ्योरी का क्वेश्चन है। इसका भी एक ट्रिक है, आप 1 से लेकर 20 तक आप सारा लिख लेंगे और 3, 2, 1, 0 से आप बॉन्ड एंगल निकाल सकते हैं मोलिकुलर ऑर्बिटल थ्योरी केमिकल बॉन्डिंग में। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 19, व्हिच रिएक्शन गिव्स कोलोइडल सॉल्यूशन, एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज बी। ये क्वेश्चन रिपीट है, पहले भी टेस्ट में आ चुका है। 2HNO3 प्लस 3H2S गिव्स 3S प्लस 4H2O प्लस 2NO। Next question number 20, how much will the reduction potential of a hydrogen electrode change when its solution initially at pH equal to 0 is neutralized to pH equal to 7, and the correct answer is D, decrease by 0.41 volt. Question number 21, formic acid and formaldehyde can be distinguished by treating with, and the correct answer is D, NaHCO3. Next question number 22, 5 moles of an ideal gas at 27 degrees expands isothermally and reversibly from a volume of 5 liter to 50 liter. The work done by the system is, and the correct answer is B, minus 28.72 kilojoule. Next question number 23, which of the following will not undergo aldol condensation, and the correct answer is C, benzaldehyde. Next question number 24, 90 gram non-volatile non-dissociative solute is added to 1746 gram water to form a dilute ideal solution. The vapor pressure of water was decreased from 300 mm of Hg to 291 mm of Hg. The molecular weight of solute is, and the correct answer is C, 30. Next question number 25, aqueous solution containing 1 m each of Au3 plus Cu2 plus Ag plus and Li plus is being electrolyzed by using inert electrodes. The value of electrode potential are given with increasing voltage. The sequence of deposition of metals on the cathode will be, and the correct answer is C, Au, Ag, Cu. Next question number 26, by which process Pb and Sn are extracted respectively, and the correct answer is B, self reduction and carbon reduction. Next question number 27, an ether which cannot be cleaved by Hi at 373 Kelvin, the compound is, and the correct answer is B, C6H5O, C6H5. Next question number 28, the Brownian motion is due to, and the correct answer is C, impact of molecules of the dispersion medium on the colloidal particles. Surface chemistry question है. Next question number 29, the elemental phosphorus is made from rock phosphate Ca3PO4 whole twice by making use of which of the following reactions, and the correct answer is B. Next question number 30, the number of possible enantiomer pairs that can be produced during monochlorination of 2-methyl butane is, and the correct answer is A, 2. Next question number 31, at 25 degrees Celsius the enthalpy change for the ionization of trichloroacetic acid is plus 6.3 kilojoule per mole, and the entropy change is plus 0.0084 kilojoule per mole per Kelvin. Then pKa of trichloroacetic acid is, and the correct answer is C, 0.66. Next question number 32, in a half reaction nitrate is reduced by 6 electron reduction to X as follows, The X in the reaction is, and the correct answer is D, NH2OH. Next question number 33. In the dichromate ion Cr2OH2 minus, uh, and the correct answer is B. All CrO bond are equivalent. Next question number 34. An alkene A on ozonolysis gives a mixture of two carbonyl compounds. Mixture on Clemmensen reduction gives just one alkane B. B is the lowest alkane which is pure form cannot be prepared by a standard Wurtz method. A is, and the correct answer is B. MECH2 CH double bond C Me2. Next question number 35. Which statement is not correct according to valence bond theory? And the incorrect statement here is A. A sigma bond is weaker than a pi bond. Next question number 36. When H2O2 is added to an acidified solution of K2Cr27, and the correct answer is C. A deep blue violet colored compound CrOO2 is formed. Next question number 37. In the given reactions a compound we have excess में in presence of CH3OH X क्या होगा? तो 37 का आंसर A हो जाएगा. Next question number 38. A cation is in the center touches three anions. Assume that the anions also touch each other. The limiting radius ratio R plus by R minus is, and the correct answer is A. 0.1547. Next question number 39. कंपाउंड दिया हुआ CH3OH के प्रेजेंस में A क्या बन रहा है बताना है. 39 का आंसर हमारा हो जाएगा A. Next question number 40. The rate constant of a reaction is 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 4 per second at 27 degrees Celsius and 3 into 10 to the power minus 4 per second at 127 degrees Celsius. The EA is, and the correct answer is A. 1.663 into 10 to the power 3 calorie. Next question number 41. In the redox reaction H2O2 oxidizes K4FeCl6 into K plus Fe plus 3 CO3 minus 2 and NO3 minus ions in acidic medium, then how many moles of H2O2 will react with 1 mole of K4FeCl6? And the correct answer is D. 30.5 moles. Next question number 42. A plus K2Cr, A जो है इनऑर्गेनिक सॉल्ट है, प्लस K2Cr27 प्लस concentrated H2SO4 in presence of heat gives reddish brown fumes. Which is correct statement regarding above observation? And the correct answer is D. It neither confirms the presence of Cl minus nor Br minus ions unless it is passed through NaOH solution. Next question number 43. A buffer solution contains equal concentration of X minus and HX. The Kv for X minus is 10 to the power minus 10. The pH of the buffer solution is, and the correct answer is A. 4. Next question number 44. Which of the following drugs is a tranquilizer and sedative? A. Sulfadiazine, B. Papaverine, C. Equinyl, and D. Mescaline, and the correct answer is C. Equinyl. Next question number 45. Which one of the following reacts with HBr at fastest rate? And the correct answer is B. Okay, these all are the chemistry questions. Come to the physics questions. Question number 1. The field of view is a maximum for A. Plane mirror, B. Concave mirror, C. Convex mirror, D. Cylindrical mirror, and the correct answer is C. Convex mirror. Next question number 2. An electric dipole of length 2 cm is placed with its axis making an angle of 30 degrees to a uniform electric field 10 to the power 5 Newton per Coulomb. If it experiences a torque of 10 root 3 Newton meter, then potential energy of dipole is, and the correct answer is C. minus 30 joule. Question number 3. A proton and an electron are released from an infinite distance apart and they get attracted towards each other. Which of the following statement about their kinetic energy is true? And the correct answer is A. Kinetic energy of electron is more than that of प्रोटॉन, क्योंकि इसका मास कम है, वेलोसिटी ज़्यादा होगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, द रेशियो ऑफ पोटेंशियल डिफरेंसेज बिटवीन 1 माइक्रोफैराड एंड 5 माइक्रोफैराड कैपेसिटर्स इज, एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज सी 1:5। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, in a meter bridge circuit as shown in the figure, the bridge is balanced when AJ equal to 20 centimeter on interchanging P and Q. The balance length shifts by, and the correct answer is D 60 centimeter. Next question number 6, the ratio of the resistances of a conductor at a temperature of 15 degrees Celsius to its resistance at a temperature of 37.5 degrees Celsius is 4:5. The temperature coefficient of resistance of the conductor is, and the correct answer is D 1/75 degree per Celsius. Next question number 7, when a material is inserted inside the inductor, the current in the circuit increases, then the nature of the material is, and the correct answer is C diamagnetic. Next question number 8, a flux of 1 meter Weber passes through a strip having an area equal to 0.02 meter square. The plane of the strip is at an angle of 60 degree to the direction of a uniform field B. The value of B is, and the correct answer is B 0.058 Tesla. Question number 9, consider the situation shown in the figure. If the current I in the long straight wire XY is increased at steady rate, then the induced EMF in loops A and B will be, and the correct answer is A clockwise in A, anti-clockwise in B. Next question number 10, magnetic susceptibility of diamagnetic substance is, and the correct answer is B is not affected by temperature. Next question number 11, de Broglie wavelength of 0.05 electron volt thermal neutron is, and the correct answer is A 1.3 angstrom. Next question number 12, the maximum velocity of electrons emitted from a metal surface is V when the frequency of light falling on it is f. The maximum velocity when the frequency becomes 4f is, and the correct answer is B more than 2 volt. Next question number 13, choose the wrong statement, and the here wrong statement correct answer is D, the nuclear force becomes very strong if the nucleus contains a large number of nucleons. Is correct, is not is wrong statement. Next question number 14, number of nuclei of a radioactive substance at time t equal to 0 and 1000 and are 1900 at time t equal to 2 seconds, then number of nuclei at time t equal to 4 seconds will be, and the correct answer is B 810. Next question number 15, which of the following has maximum specific heat, and the correct answer is A water. Question number 16, when P calories of heat is given to a body, it absorbs Q calories, then the absorption power of body will be, and the correct answer is B Q by P. Next question number 17, one likes to sit under sunshine in winter season because, and the correct answer is C we get heat from the sun by radiation. Next question number 18, a piece of glass is heated to a high temperature and then allowed to cool if it cracks. A probable reason for this is, and the correct answer is A low thermal conductivity of glass. Next question number 19, the velocity of kerosene oil in a horizontal pipe is 5 meter per second. If G equal to 10 meter per second square, then velocity head of oil will be, and the correct answer is A 1.25 meter. Next question number 20, a force of 100 dyne acts on a mass of 5 gram for 10 seconds. The velocity produced is, and the correct answer is C 200 centimeter per second. Next question number 21, if temperature of an object is 140 degree Fahrenheit, then its temperature in centigrade is, and the correct answer is D 140 degree Celsius. Next question number 22, if a specific heat of a substance is infinite, it means A heat is given out, B heat is taken in, C no change in temperature takes place whether heat is taken in or given out, D all the above. and the correct answer is C. No change in temperature takes place whether heat is taken in or taken out or given out. Next question number 23. An unknown tuning fork, when sounded together with a tuning fork of frequency 256 Hz, emits 2 bits. On loading the tuning fork of frequency 256 Hz, the number of bits heard is 1 per second. The frequency in Hz of the unknown tuning fork is, and the correct answer is D. 254. Next question number 24. If the phase difference between two waves of the same frequency is 2 pi during superposition, then the resultant amplitude is, and the correct answer is A, maximum. Question number 25. When a sound wave of frequency 300 Hz passes through a medium, the maximum displacement of a particle of the medium is 0.1 centimeter. The maximum velocity of the particle is equal to, and the correct answer is A, 60 pi centimeter per second. Next question number 26. A particle executing SHM of amplitude 4 centimeter and t equal to 4 seconds. The time taken by it to move from positive extreme position to half the amplitude is, and the correct answer is C, 2 by 3 seconds. Next question number 27. The thermal conductivity of a material is in CGS system is 0.4 in steady state. The rate of flow of heat 10 calorie per second centimeter per centimeter square, then the thermal gradient will be, and the correct answer is C, 25 degrees Celsius per centimeter. Question number 28. If 150 joule of heat is added to a system and the work done by the system is 110 joule, then change in internal energy will be, and the correct answer is D, 40 joule. Next question number 29. The volume of a gas at 20 degrees Celsius is 200 ml. If the temperature is reduced to minus 20 degrees Celsius at constant pressure, its volume will be, and the correct answer is A, 172.6 ml. Next question number 30. The apparent coefficient of expansion of a liquid when heated in a copper vessel is C, and when heated in a silver vessel is S. If A is the linear coefficient of expansion of copper, then linear coefficient of expansion of silver is, and the correct answer is B, C plus 3A minus S by 3. Next question number 31. In the glass capillary tube, the shape of surface of liquid depends on, and the correct answer is C, only on relative cohesive and adhesive force between the atoms. Next question number 32. A beam of metal supported at the two ends is loaded at the center. The depression at the center is proportional to, and the correct answer is C, 1 by Y. Next question number 33. If the earth stops rotating, the value of G at the equator will be, and the correct answer is A, increase. Question number 34. A force F equal to 5I plus 3J Newton is applied over a particle which displaces it from its origin to the point R equal to 2I minus J 1J meter. The work done on the particle is, and the correct answer is C, plus 7 joule. Next question number 35. On account of the earth rotating about axis, and correct answer is A, the linear velocity of objects at equator is greater than at other places. Question number 36. A particle A suffers an oblique elastic collision with a particle B which is initially at rest. If their masses are same, then after the collision, correct answer is C, they will move in mutually perpendicular directions. Next question number 37. A circular disc A of radius R is made from an iron plate of thickness T, and another circular disc B of radius 4R is made from an iron plate of thickness T by 4. The relation between the moments of inertia IA and IB is, and the correct answer is C, IB greater than IA. Next question number 38. If one sphere collides head on with another sphere of the same mass at rest inelastically, the ratio of their speeds v2 by v1 after collision will be, and the correct answer is C, 1 plus E by 1 minus E. Next question number 34. The tube AC forms a quarter circle in a vertical plane. The ball B has an area of cross section slightly smaller than that of the tube and can move without friction through it. B is placed at A and displaced slightly. It will, and the correct answer is C, initially be in contact with the inner wall and later will with the outer wall. Next question number 40. Two spheres of the same radius are made from the same material. One is hollow and other is solid if they are heated together from 20 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. And the correct answer is A. Both will expand equally. Next question number 41. A TV tower has a height of 100 meter. How much population is covered by TV broadcast if the average population density around the tower is 1000 किलोमीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर? नीट के सिलेबस में ये क्वेश्चन नहीं था, लेकिन एम्स के आने से शायद क्वेश्चन दे सकता है कम्युनिकेशन का, इसके लिए वो भी पढ़ना जरूरी है। 41 का बी, 4 × 10⁻⁶, 4 × 10⁻⁶. Question number 42. Horizontal wind is blowing with a velocity v towards northeast. A man starts running towards north with acceleration a. The time after which man will feel the wind blowing towards east is, and the correct answer is C, v by √2a. Next question number 43. At time t second, a particle of mass 3 kg has position vector r equal to 3 ti minus 4 cos tj meter. The impulse of the force during the time interval t is more than equal to 0 and less than equal to pi by 2 is, and the correct answer is A, 12 joule Newton second. Next question number 44. If an electron enters into a space between plates of parallel plate capacitor at an angle alpha with the plates and leaves at an angle beta to the plates, the ratio of kinetic energy while entering the capacitor to that while leaving will be, and the correct answer is B, cos beta by cos alpha square. Next question number 45, last question of our physics. 4 rods each of length L have been hinged to form a rhombus. Vertex A is fixed to rigid support. Vertex C is being moved along the x-axis with constant velocity v as shown in the figure. The rate at which vertex B is approaching the x-axis at the moment the rhombus in the form of a square is, and the correct answer is C, v by 2. Okay, these all are the physics, chemistry and biology questions for quick review. Okay, please subscribe our channel and like the video. सारे क्वेश्चन रट लो यार, सारे कोई ना कोई क्वेश्चन इसमें जरूर रिपीट करेंगे। सारे मॉक टेस्ट से कम 20 या 25 क्वेश्चन जरूर रिपीट कर लेंगे, इसलिए अगर कर नहीं सकते हो, सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते तो कम से कम रट्टा ज़रूर मार लो। ओके, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।